not for sale. Pang forever na to.
Forever na.
Pababa, pataas. Pataas, pababa. Pataas, pababa.
Alala mo, nung grade school ka, ikaw pa nga nagsabi, I nominate myself for president. Nagmana ka lang sa akin.
Alam mo naman how lucky I am standing with you right now in front of our family and friends. Kaya gusto ko pasalamatan si Lord sa pagtupad ng pangarap kong maikasal sa isang maganda at matalinong dilag na gaya mo.
I love how you hold my hand tighter when things get challenging and let loose when you feel it's my time to shine. Love, what couples usually promise in their vows, you are already doing. ROI na ako sa 999 ko.
Gagawin ko ang isa sa mga pinapangarap natin, ang bumuo ng sarili nating pamilya. Sabay natin ipagdasal at pangarapin na ibigay ni Lord. At love, tandaan mo to. Ang pag-ibig ko sa iyo ay kasing lawak ng kalangitan at kasing lalim ng karagatan. Ipinapangako kong aalagaan ka at mamahalin ka, nagpakailanman. Mahal na mahal ko talaga.
I promise to be more receptive of your needs, to be supportive of your most ambitious dreams, and to be more present, so that I will be able to provide you with the love that you deserve and the peace and warmth of our own home you have always longed for. I will be your quiet, I will be your calm, but I will be your sure. My rightest swipe right, my most prized reward, my dream come true, my answered prayer. Now my husband, forever my love. Happy anniversary, I love you.